Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of quick and easy meals. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or a parent on the go, we understand the need for simple and delicious recipes that can be whipped up in no time. In this video, we'll share 3 mouth-watering recipes that are guaranteed to satisfy your cravings without taking up too much of your precious time. Let's get started. Recipe 1, 1 pan chicken and veggie stir-fry. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, thinly sliced, 1 bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1 medium-sized onion, thinly sliced, 2 cups of mixed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, snow peas, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste, cooked rice or noodles, optional. Instructions: 1. Heat the vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. 2. Add the sliced chicken and cook until browned and cooked through. 3. Add the bell pepper, onion, and mixed vegetables to the pan. Stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce and oyster sauce. Pour the sauce over the chicken and vegetables. 5. Stir-fry for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until everything is coated in the sauce. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Serve the stir-fry over cooked rice or noodles for a complete meal. Recipe 2, Caprese avocado toast. Ingredients: 2 slices of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, 4 to 6 cherry tomatoes, halved, fresh basil leaves, balsamic glaze, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Toast the slices of bread until golden and crispy. 2. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit. Scoop out the flesh and mash it with a fork until smooth. 3. Spread the mashed avocado evenly on each slice of toast. 4. Top the avocado with halved cherry tomatoes and fresh basil leaves. 5. Drizzle balsamic glaze over the toast and season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Serve immediately and enjoy as a quick and satisfying breakfast or snack. Recipe 3, 15-minute shrimp pasta. Ingredients: 8-ounce spaghetti or linguine, 1 pound shrimp, peeled and deveined, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, juice of 1 lemon, zest of 1 lemon, fresh parsley, chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. 2. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil and butter over medium heat. 3. Add the minced garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. 4. Add the shrimp to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until pink and opaque. 5. Stir in the lemon juice and zest, and season with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet and toss until well coated in the sauce. 7. Sprinkle with fresh parsley and serve immediately. There you have it, 3 quick and easy meals that will save you time in the kitchen without compromising on taste. From the flavorful chicken stir-fry to the refreshing caprese avocado toast. And for more videos